Yes, Mr. Baloyi. You are able to bring them through your digitalized equipment.
Yes, our laptop is just frozen. Can you just take a 5-minute break? Apparently it's now up and running.
As it is the court, Madam, we are identifying some sort of a discrepancy in respect of the photo album that in Exhibit 13, 13A, yes, there's a bit of a discrepancy there. The copy that I have was actually commissioned by Solomon K. Modisane on the 5th of November 2014, while the copy that Advocate Numano has was commissioned by somebody different on a different date. Now, we don't know, maybe the state can just explain which copy is it that should actually be used.
Yes, Mr. Baloyi.
What are the exhibits that we have that council wants to refer to, which is exhibit X13 in brackets A, the affidavit of Lieutenant Colonel Mangena, consists of the photos of the scene as well as photos taken at the mortuary. It was commissioned on the 5th of November 2014 by Lieutenant Colonel Solomon Modisane.
Yes, the state is repeating exactly what I've said, Malot, but that does not seem to assist us, because I'm saying my colleague that is seated next to me here, Advocate Numan, has his copy commissioned on the 5th of July 2017. Yes. Now, the one that I have is commissioned on the 5th of November 2014. That there's a lot of discrepancies in this affidavit, Malot. So I don't know now if I'm going to proceed on which affidavit must I then proceed on. The one that is in possession, because both of them are from the state. The one that is in possession of my colleague Advocate Numalo, or the one that is in my possession.
Well, I don't know why we should have this debate. Council is in possession of the affidavit dated 5 November 2014. That's the one that he should proceed on. All council were given the same exhibits, and this is the exhibit that was marked Exhibit 13A. All of them should have the same exhibit, and that is the exhibit that he should proceed on.
The state does not seem to understand the gist of and the imperative of what is happening here, madam. I cannot proceed on a document simply because the state says I must proceed on. This is an affidavit. It's something that was made under oath, madam.
Yeah, but Mr. Baloyi says you can proceed on.
But that is the problem. If I proceed on the one that I have,
Which is one? It was commissioned on the one he says you can proceed on is the one commissioned on the 5th of November 2014.
but then the state does not explain that discrepancy, my lord.
What discrepancy?
The discrepancy that mine is commissioned on a different date and the one that is in possession of my colleague here is commissioned on a different date.
And the contents are not the same.
Can you just have the document that Advocate Numalo says is his work? Because
It doesn't say. It is the document that says that. It's
Sorry.
not the document.
Mr. Baloyi, did you supply that document to Mr. Numan?
I just want to have a look at it. Yes, it's exactly the same exhibit, my lord. Exactly the same photo. I think what might have happened is perhaps the last page. on which the affidavit was commissioned could have been attached by a different page, could have been attached one, but the content is exactly the same.
So the two documents are similar.
Yes, exactly the same.
My lord, as I said, there were different teams which were investigating this. The
Yeah.
original is the one that was signed on the 5th of November. That is in the docket. So at one stage, some of the investigating officers came to my office, they were requesting for it. I said, it's in the docket. They said, we don't have that docket. Can you just give us another statement and then sign it on this day so that we have it? It might be one of those reports.
So the one which was commissioned on the 5th of July.
On the 5th of
July.
November 2014.
Sorry, on the 5th of November, fine. And then subsequently, some of the investigating officers came seeking a
Looking for the
affidavit.
affidavit and said they want the affidavit. And I told them that it's in the docket, but they said they can't find the docket because there were different teams which invested. It might be because of on that day they came. I could have signed maybe another docket for them to do an investigation.
So you made two affidavits.
Yeah, they say it's exactly the same thing.
Yeah, okay, let's proceed, Mr. Mnisi. They say those documents are the same. It's the same document, duplicated.
These documents are not the same, my lord. And I'm going to implore the state to come up very openly. These documents are not the same. I'm going to give the state these documents, both of them, so that the state can go through these documents and make up their minds.
I'll give Advocate Numalo my copy. He can record it so that
That is not how it works, my lord. This is not how it works. We just don't throw things around here. We're working on the basis of explanations here. What happened? If it needs to be, then there could be a trial within a trial in respect of these documents. But it does not work like I just give Advocate Numalo my copy so he can work on it. It does not work out like that. Otherwise, that is it's a strict procedure.
Which document did you receive? Which document did you yourself receive?
Who?
You,
I received Exhibit 13A, Exhibit X 13A,
which was commissioned on?
which was commissioned on the 5th of November 2014.
Okay. The deponent to this document, which was commissioned on the 5th of October 2014, is who?
It's Captain, I don't see,
Is it?
I can't see, I can't read this. Oh, it's Captain Simangen.
Mangena, yeah, fine.
No, it's Captain.
Captain Mangena.
Yes.
Is there somebody like that?
It's me, man.
Oh, okay, fine. And then the other document which you say you don't understand why it's there, is it commissioned on the 5th of July 2017?
The state took it, my lord.
Yeah, but is it commissioned on the 5th of July 2017?
Yes. 27. I don't know what the date is, my lord. The state is in possession of that document.
Which date was it commissioned on, that document?
it's 5 July 2017.
Yeah, 5th July 2017. And who's the deponent in that document?
The deponent, it's Colonel Mangela, Lieutenant Colonel Mangela.
Yeah, okay.
It consists of exactly 22 pages, just as with the other documents. So as the witness has just explained, the only difference is the commissioning part, but it's exactly the same.
Okay, yeah, let's go on, Mr. Mnisi. Say that those two documents are in fact one document.
I did not get that, my lord.
No, so you can continue.
Oh, okay, no,
They say-
thank you, my lord. If the court is ruling that this document constitutes one document, then I don't know.
Yeah, they say so.
We've checked it page for page, man.
Page for page.
Exactly
Same
the same
document.
except
It just fits in maybe with the explanation the panel has given that a second similar statement was made because the initial one was not traceable at that stage.
That's correct, man.
Yeah, yeah, let's go on because
Thank you, my lord.
it's one document.
Thank you, my
If
lord.
there are any differences, cross-examine on both documents because here's the witness.
Thank you, my lord.
Right?
May I then be assisted with those photos? Now, what I requested, my lord, is that those photos should be beamed side by side. In other words, they must stand parallel. I don't know if the state will be in a position to do that, but the technician that was assisting them that other day said, no, that was very simple, you could do it.
me just get the photo numbers of this album. I think it was 8 and 12. It's 8 and 12.
Do you have the numbers on the photos? 8 and 12. 12.
8 and 12.
Let's go with 12.
So you only need one photo to be beamed, and that is photo number 12.
Just a second. That's photo number. That is lucky. On Musia's photo album is photo number 19. Muhlatlo, not Musia. Muhlatlo's photo album, photo number 19.
So this photo, are you saying it was taken by Warrant Officer Mhlatlo?
Madam, I'm not so sure whether the state is doing what I requested them to do, because they are only beaming one photo and then they are keeping quiet. I'm not so sure whether they're still trying to get the other one that I said should also be beamed on the side of this.
Is it possible to beam both of those photos?
Maybe if we take the short adjournment at this stage, Manot, let's see if we can get the technician to do that, Manot.
What's the time?
It's 4 minutes to 11. We can resume at 11:15.
Okay. Adjournment time for the office.